Hello friends, welcome to the series Various Aspects of Chandrapur District Court. In this particular episode, we will discuss about one Taluka, Rajura Taluka, and the history of the Rajura court. Rajura city and Taluka is 1,000 years old. Prior to coming in Maharashtra, it was under the Nizam rule of Hyderabad. Initially, court was located in Parsi Bungalow, situated on Chunalal Road near Lake. Subsequently, the court was shifted in the municipality building. Somewhere in 1940, the court was shifted in the government guest house and continued to be there for next 65 to 70 years. And subsequently, after several years, there is now a new court building of Rajura Taluka Court. The judge was called as Munsif Magistrate. He had a separate bungalow with servant. Advocates in those days, I am talking about the time when the Rajura was under the Nizam rule. Advocate used to wear sherwani and long cap on the head. Language of the court was Urdu. Now the Nizam had kept some regulations. So there was an exam which had to be cleared so that the person would become eligible to practice as an advocate. Now there were again further categories. The person who would pass in first class became eligible to practice as an advocate in Hyderabad High Court. The person who passed in second and third class were required to do internship under the advocate, and then only they were allowed to practice, and that too only in district and taluka courts. It is said that the first two persons to practice in Rajura was advocate Jairam Rao Deshmukh and advocate Lakshman Rao Deshmukh. Now there is a very interesting incident about advocate Lakshman Rao Deshmukh, which shows how much professionally he was committed to his clients. Because this particular incident is when Rajura was under the Nizam rule. He had his client who had a contract of cutting wood. Due to certain problems, the contract allotted to his client was cancelled. Lakshman Rao Deshmukh challenged the said cancellation order before Warangal Commissioner Court. And that commissioner was a good friend of Lakshman Rao. Commissioner asked Mr. Lakshman Rao, "You have filed a case against the Nizam. You have to face dire consequences for the same, and even there is chance that your Jagirdari would be taken away." Now on this, what Lakshman Rao said, "I am an advocate and it is my professional duty to conduct the case of my client." The case was heard. Lakshman Rao won the case. The contract was once again given to the client of Lakshman Rao. So this shows the professional commitment of this great personality, Lakshman Rao Deshmukh. Unfortunately, he expired at an early age of 49 years in 1935. We salute Advocate Lakshman Rao Deshmukh. Thank you.